Want hands-free Siri control? Here's how to set up Hey Siri with your AirPods Pro 3. First, ensure Siri is enabled on your iPhone or iPad running iOS 17.2 or later. Go to Settings and navigate to Siri and Search. Toggle Siri on in the Siri and Search settings. Next, pair your AirPods Pro 3 via Bluetooth. Once paired, Hey Siri activates automatically. For best performance in noisy environments, train Siri to recognize your voice under Settings, Siri and Search, Voice Recognition. Now you're ready to use Siri with your AirPods Pro 3. With your AirPods Pro 3 set up, you can now use essential Siri commands for hands-free control. Control music playback with simple voice commands. Say, Hey Siri, play music to start, Hey Siri, pause to stop, or Hey Siri, skip this song to move to the next track. Manage volume easily. Tell Siri, Hey Siri, turn up the volume, or Hey Siri, turn down the volume for quick adjustments. Set timers and reminders hands-free. Say, Hey Siri, set a 10-minute timer for quick counts, or Hey Siri, remind me to call John at 5 p.m. for scheduled alerts. Control your smart home devices. Use commands like Hey Siri, turn on the lights, or Hey Siri, dim the living room lights for convenient automation. For more complex tasks, Siri connects to your iPhone. Say, Hey Siri, translate hello to Spanish for translations, or ask questions that require web search. These use your iPhone's internet connection. Remember, Siri learns from your voice patterns, so accuracy will improve with regular use.